Welcome to Flow Space 101 Vocabulary Flow. Today we are learning Orange Level Unit 3. We will read, think, and grow with 12 new words. Let's get ready to learn together. Our first word is attractive. Attractive means pleasing to the eye, mind, or senses. Something attractive can draw our attention. For example, the garden looks attractive in spring. Think about it. What makes a place look attractive? The next word is burden. A burden is something heavy to carry or something very hard to bear. Burden can also mean to weigh someone down. For example, too many heavy packages can burden a traveler. Think about it. How can we help someone with a burden? Our next word is consent. Consent means to agree, approve, or give permission. It can also mean approval or permission. For example, the teacher needs our parents' consent for the class trip. Think about it. Why is consent important? The next word is dependable. Dependable means reliable and trustworthy. A dependable person is someone we can count on. For example, my dependable friend always helps me on time. Think about it. Who is dependable in your life? Our next word is indicate. Indicate means to point out, show, or be a sign of something. For example, the arrows indicate the fastest way to the front office. Think about it. What signs indicate rainy weather? The next word is previous. Previous means coming before in time or order. For example, our teacher asked us to turn back to the previous page. Think about it. Why do we review the previous lesson? Our next word is qualify. Qualify means to become fit or ready for something. It can also mean to meet the requirements. For example, she practiced hard to qualify for the final race. Think about it. What do you need to do to qualify for a contest? The next word is response. A response is a reply, answer, or reaction to something. For example, the class gave a quick response to the teacher's question. Think about it. How do you give a polite response? Our next word is shabby. Shabby means worn out, old-looking, or not in good condition. It can also mean unfair or ungenerous. For example, the old chair looked shabby after many years. Think about it. What things can become shabby over time? The next word is thaw. Thaw means to melt or become warm gradually. It can also mean a warm period when snow and ice melt. For example, the spring thaw melted the snow. Think about it. What happens during a spring thaw? Our next word is urgent. Urgent means needing immediate action or attention. For example, the fire department answered an urgent call for help. Think about it. What situations are urgent? The last word is vanity. Vanity means too much pride in one's looks or abilities. It can also mean a dressing table. For example, a person's display of vanity can be very annoying. Think about it. What is a better quality than vanity? Great job learning 12 new words. You learned attractive, burden, consent, dependable, indicate, previous, qualify, response, shabby, thaw, urgent, and vanity. Keep reading, keep thinking, and keep growing. Like and subscribe for one flow a day. See you in the next vocabulary flow.